I need a break. So I got away, far into the Grand Canyon, surrounded by stillness and beauty. And what I soon discovered was peace. So on my trek, I met a Native American elder who was inspired by my rediscovery and challenged me to bring others. Granogi created the experience of a lifetime in the remote Havasupai Canyon, causing amazing connections through outdoor adventure, yoga, meditation, and healthy living. Being on the team management and leadership program helped me to master who I'm being in the world through conversations to cause and empower successful teams and teamwork. 40 leaders were excited to help me create this 4-day event. 300 participants from all over the world hiked 10 miles to camp. Together, we experienced a renewed level of vitality, joy, freedom, unity, and love. We are committed to getting people unplugged and connected with others, nature, and self.